Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is going to be a magnifying set that I can use on my desk for like when I'm doing my laser engraving or 3D printing and things like that, and I need to see some stuff really small. This is going to give me a whole stand for doing that type of stuff. So let's show you guys what we get in here. I've had one of these before and I lost it in my move. So I'll show you guys how this works. So here's a nice big magnifying glass with the little stand and wire for the light and everything else. There we go. I will stick that right here. I have to keep everything up because my dog will get it. It comes with a little nugget even to plug it in. And this is the table mount. So if I wanted to mount it to my desk or something like that, I could do that. And I don't think I don't normally use it that way, but that would be what it would be. So it would plug into there. You know, you could screw it up into a table and then put this into it like that, and then it would work that way. Or the way I will be using it will be with the supplied stand. So let me show you what we got here. So this is the stand, and here are the extension poles for it. So we can screw it in. Well, I guess I can screw in one at a time here, otherwise I'll be unscrewing as I'm screwing. So there's 1, 2. Depending on how high you need it, I might just use 1 pole, not 2. Otherwise that'd be pretty high. And then the device on top. Holy moly, it's a long screw. Okay, there we go. And then I can screw it back in to place. Okay, so there we go. So now we have it on there. Actually, I can put this even on the ground. So there, so I could use it at this particular table here, like so. Let me turn this way, and this way, and there. So I could use it like this. And then basically how it will work is we will plug in to USB. I have a battery pack, so I'm golden on this particular one here. And then the buttons are up top here. I'll kind of aim y'all down so you can see actually what I'm doing. So, and it came with a USB plug for it. I think that's from something else. And then that was the stand to hook it up there. If I just wanted to clamp it onto the desk, I'll show you how that would work. If I just wanted to clamp it on directly right on here onto my table, I could have done that right there. You know, but I have it up here. Okay, and then we have the light. Let's see, how do we do this? Why is it not going? It might not be getting enough power from my battery pack. What fell? Something fell that I know my dog is going to pick up, but okay. There we go. Okay, so now I didn't have my battery pack on, but here you go. You can see the light is on, so now I have light under my magnifying glass, and everything looks huge. And I can do the dim and bright. And then the one is dim and one is bright. That is bright. So now it's super bright. So now I can see everything through there. I'll come show you guys in a second. Let me just get something to look at. So let's see if I was to look at my knife blade. I could see all the markings and stuff. If I was going to want to do something with the edge, I could do that on there. But I'll show you guys how zoomed in it really is. It's a lot. So here is that. Hopefully you can see stuff through there. I picked a bed. Let's see, where's my hand in there? There. So there you can kind of see, hopefully, what it's doing. But it zooms a lot. I'm not sure exactly what the magnification is. Let me look and see if it says it on the book. Not that I'm going to sharpen my knife, But I look at a lot of times when after I laser engrave something, I look to see how how good it is. Yep. So here's the settings. So you can long press or short press to adjust the brightness. You have 5 color modes. I guess I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different colors, I guess, different brightnesses. You got the adapter, the clamp, the knob, magnifying glass, and everything else. So really cool. I guess the magnifying just depends on how close you put it to the item. So like right now I'm so far away. If I go really close, let me see what happens. Yeah, it's not magnifying as much. So, and this is really far away, but it's, I guess also how you look at it. It's weird. I guess that's how magnifying glasses work. But really cool little device. And so I can totally be working on things here. If I was actually trying to film it, I could actually put my camera probably over it and be doing it as I'm doing it with my hands. Wow, my hands are old. But really cool setup here. And you can see it's got the whole stand and everything. Like right now, this would be the perfect setup for if I was working right there. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.